got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself, is she helping with that too? You.
A very good morning, guys. So I am just here, so I decided to just wake up and do a walk since the weather is really good. It's spring, and when it's spring, that's when we do outdoor activities mostly, before it's actually summer and it's too hot. So yeah, the weather is really looking good, and I'm so glad since I'm able to do this. I've been wanting to do it for quite some time, and looks like I'm gonna do it today. Like, just walk before I go to the gym, but I still have to go to the gym. Just walk a little bit on base and know what's up, and yeah, it's gonna be really nice. So guys, take advantage of the weather. Just walk. It's really nice for your health, and it's gonna make your blood circulate so well. So let's do this. I'm gonna show you around the base, and yeah, let's do it. Guys, do you all see how my base is pretty? Like, it's really pretty to me. And so far since I came to the US, I think my favorite season is spring. But look at this, like the trees are now green, unlike during the winter when they're so dry and bare. So yeah, I think it's my best month, and that's when you start seeing flowers in trees also. Like, everything starts blooming, like the grass starts, greening, if that's a word that I could use. So it's literally at this point my favorite season, my favorite time of the year here in the US. Since it's my second one, it's actually my second spring. The other spring, I think I was also here in Virginia, and I'm liking it. I'm really liking it since when I was coming to the US, it was during summer, and the weather was really not good to me because it was super hot, like super hot. So I'm still walking around the base. I'm almost to the other street at the stop sign. I think I'm gonna take a left, and then when I take a left, I'm gonna go all the way to the back gate, and then after the back gate, I'm gonna turn around and maybe go grab some coffee just here on base. Go grab some coffee, go back into the room, and then that'll be it. And then I'll get ready for the gym maybe later on, and then yeah, from there we shall know what to do next. So guys, just relax and sit back. That's the morning. So that's the flag. It's about to go up. So it's sunrise, and usually sunrise is around 8, so it's maybe like 5 minutes to 8. So alright guys, let me get ready for this flag, because I have to stand and maybe salute to the flag. I'm still in the Navy, so yeah, it's required whether you are on uniform or not on uniform. You see how the base is cool today, like super cool. Alright guys, let me get ready for the flag. Bye. So guys, I just got done with colors. I mean, we call them colors, like when the flag is going up or when it's going down during sunset. And I thought, like, this sun has really kissed me so well, so like, why not take a video? So I'm still walking, and I'm almost to the back gate. It's just few meters from here, so I'm just gonna go to the back gate and then I'll come back and do whatever we said. So guys, let's do it. So when looking for shoes, hold on, looking for shoes, I think I'm gonna settle with this, but I'm not yet sure because I don't have another color. Oh my gosh, the shoes are for my naturalization ceremony tomorrow. Yet to find some. I'm a 6.5, but I went looking for shoes even at 8 because they don't have a lot of shoes here. Still can't get the taste that I want because they're for an official wear. It's gonna be a suit, so I'm gonna be wearing a suit. But finding these shoes is just a lot of work. Hopefully I can find. So guys, let me go looking and then I'll show you what I settled for. So guys, I ended up not getting what I was looking for, and then I decided maybe not go out without anything from that store. So I bought this makeup brush kit. It's about 10 pieces. And then, oh my gosh. And then I bought this small handbag. It looks so good. Maybe it won't match with what I'm gonna be wearing tomorrow for my ceremony. And then, what else did I buy? No, I bought all those other stuff. And then I bought a lemonade. I love me some lemonade. There's a lemonade that I bought. I'm about to drink this. I'm so thirsty. And then I bought this little, they're supposed to be for my, it's a cup holder. Is it a cup holder? No, the phone holder. So it's right here. She lost one of the bolts. And then, yeah, I'm about to head out because I am so frustrated, disappointed by all these stores that I'm going and not getting what I want. So it's super cold outside, but super hot in my car. So guys, let's go back to the base. Yeah, I don't know what happened because it just rained. I think it overfilled or something. I don't know, but I was like, okay, fine, let's go to the car wash. And the next thing I did was go to the car wash. So I couldn't find the pressure car wash, so I had to do it myself. So I went and took just in the base. There's somewhere that I go to get to dust off my car. So that's where I went. And yeah, my car is really looking so nice. She is clean and waxed. Don't mind whatever is behind the seats. So just my workout stuff. That's all my workout stuff. But all in all, we are concentrating on the good stuff, like how my car is now not smelling the gas. And look at her. Oh my gosh, she is super clean. My baby.
I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around. That's what I always say. 'Cause
I am from the gym, but I didn't make it to go inside the gym because they're about to close. They have a notice that on on weekends, the one on base, they close at 16 p.m. 1600, I mean, that is 4 p.m. So I'm not gonna waste my day. I'm just gonna go and do some push-ups, some planks, and then just some workouts, and then I'll call it a day, or I'll call it a workout, and then I'll go ahead and get ready to go to work. But before I go to work, if I have time, it's almost 1600. If I have time, I'm gonna go ahead and do something else before I go to work, because I also have some clothes to fold. I don't like folding clothes. Laundry is done, but I don't like folding clothes. So go ahead and do that, and then we'll see you tomorrow. We'll see you the other day. Or the other time I'm gonna be vlogging. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that.
So we
Guys,
are
be safe.
verified Instagram. Oh
And then
my
we'll see
goodness.
you in the
That's this
next.
happening with the dreams. To be honest, this is a subscription, so I have to pay it monthly. So more monthly bills coming up. So let's talk about food, because who doesn't love eating? Like, I love soups. I love the Vietnamese soups. So I told my boyfriend to take me to this restaurant that he had taken me before, and we had some soups, and I really loved their soups. And also somewhere else that we had gone, I can't remember the name. But we had also very nice soups. But this Vietnamese soups, like the one with tribes, oh my gosh, I really love it. I love it. I could live by this. And this place is really looking nice, and I love it. And for sure, I'm gonna go there next time. And this is my favorite place for soups. And something else, you guys need to stop telling me to show you my boyfriend. I'm gonna show you eventually when I'm ready, when we are all ready, because we are not ready to do this. So here is me eating and not actually eating, but drinking this soup. It's really delicious, but I wasn't able to finish the noodles. So guess what? Who helped me? My personal helper, my all-time helper. He was there, and he was ready to have it. Like, he was like, I think you still have noodles there. And I was like, I don't want them. So he went up and just started eating the noodles, which is just fine. I love the bean sprouts. Like, see, when the beans are little and they're starting to sprout their, I don't know, their leaves or whatever, those are the ones that I like. So I put them there, and the basil, and they really taste delicious. Like, I love it. And we were about to get out because I was about to go to work, and I was almost getting late, and he was also going to work. We all both work nights. Yep.